from the Hindrance Flips. Today we're doing a toy review with the LOL Surprise Boys Arcade Heroes. Let's get started.
Show them your picture. Alright.
Now let's get started. I'm gonna get started up here. Ooh, there's a little baggie.
Long baggie.
We're going to leave that there for another time. Okay, we're keep on opening. This looks cool.
You want me to take your trash?
Thank you. Now let's see what it is. Oh, a coin. I knew it was going to be a coin. But what's in here? It's wow.
It opened. Oh, cool.
Let's find our hero.
Cool.
I think I see a couple more. Wow, this is so cool. We had to put this together for some piece of food. And so, oh, I see something in there. I didn't see it in there before. Let's open the coin right here. Wow. A collector guide. Okay, cool. Then I see something else. Ooh, cool. Let's can get it real fast.
Need some help?
I need some help.
This is very difficult.
I see something.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, Mom, I got it.
Show them what's in there.
I wanted this guy with the headphones.
And show them the bottle. You're moving too fast. There you go. Now we're going to put everything back in your box.
No, we're going.
And there's all the other little leg pieces for the legs.
But I want to pause it and then put.
We're going to put it together and show you the final result. Pieces out. Show them. So that they can get their clothes on.
This is the pants that came with it first. Once we got him out of right here.
Okay.
And this is what came with it once we opened that.
Hold on a minute. Let me put these pants on for you. You hold. You're flipping everything around.
It usually means this way.
Yep.
R usually means this way. In LOL. And now we're going to put the little headphones on.
Yeah.
That way he can listen to his music and play his video games. And once crime comes, he's going to save the day. I didn't realize this. He has mixed match eyes.
Oh no, cool. What was your review on this? Look at the camera.
This is the Hindrance Flip.
And what's your review?
It's LOL Heroes.
And you like it?
And I liked
Okay.
it. Hey. Bye, guys.
We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time on the Hindrance Flips.
And Micaela's
toy review. Bye, guys.
baby put all together. Pretty cool. Here you go. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you next time on the Hindrance Flip with Micaela's toy
Review.
Good job.